So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So,
Make it 8 for me.
oh, you make it 8, eh? You eat all the wood. No good, you eat all the wood. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yes. Excellent. Okay, everybody, take a seat. Take a seat. This is yours, big fella. All right, we take a seat. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. It's very easy. Yeah, it's not wet. It's just glossy.
Yeah, it's glossy.
Better glossy. Yeah.
Hawaiian style.
All right. Yeah, Hawaiian style. But you know, in ancient culture, we never have table. It's because of tourism. They need to make sure that, for some people can't sit on the floor. But when we build a building, there is the traditional ways.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we put the mat down. So
Yeah. We have
we
been
will
there inside.
you have.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we
We
will.
even lay down on that.
That's right.
They said that was for the couples of.
Yes. Yeah. So we will make a bigger one like this, but a lower, but it's traditional. So it's just gonna be traditional way. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, now you can face it like this in front of you. Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. You got it? May I have yours? Me. Oh, sorry about that. You must have a very small plate. Yes, yes, it's all right. Let me have a look. Yeah, you're very small.
We can exchange. You can give me his.
It's okay.
Okay, now
Yeah.
you face it to you, and then you split that open like this, yeah? Split, yeah, open. Okay, and then put straight on the table like that. Don't move around, yeah. Straight on the table. So make sure everything open, eh? When we weave, eh?
Okay.
Make sure everything is open like this. Okay. Now it's very easy. So I teach you. The last time you've been learning this, I think this man did not teach you well because you would have picked up very easy. So like this. So you put the one on the, grab the right one, eh? The right, you got two over there. Put it on the top, yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the secret of this thing. How big is your plate is depend on this. So when you weave, don't move. Don't move this side. So this is how big. If you want a tray, you do it this big. Want a medium plate, small plate, so it's gonna be like that, eh? So let's keep it straight like this and keep it even, eh? So what you do is, see, use this end as flush, so keep it straight. Yeah, then that's it, like that. So what I like you to do now, yeah, good. Make a bigger more. Yes, very good, very good. What I like you to do now is the leave inside,
Yeah.
inside of you, like this. Grab one on the right,
Yeah.
grab one on the left.
Okay. Which one?
The
Which
one
one?
inside of you.
This one.
Yes, this one.
Okay,
Yeah.
So I grab this one.
Grab this one and grab one on from the other side. Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, make sure it's open up, eh? Make sure it's open up. And keep the distance. Don't lose the distance. Yeah? Okay. So, keep it up. I want to see. All right. So, listen. This is very easy. The first one, what? The right. The one, look, this is what? This is the right, my right. So, where's your right? Shake your right. I want to see your right. That's it. Okay. Now, the first one is the right must go under the left like this. Watch. It's go under. Yeah? All right. Then you lay it down on the top of the second leaves. Under, put under. Yes. Lay it down on the top of the second leaf. Yeah?
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold. Now, so it's under. So now the second leaf on the left, it will be over. See? Where's that? There.
one?
Over? Yes. See? You over.
Okay.
Okay,
so
you're
it's
already over.
Yeah.
So now you're working there. Now that second leaves on your left with the third leaves, yeah?
Yeah.
On your left, pick it up.
So the second one on my
Yeah,
left.
okay, you went under. No. It should be on the top. Okay, the second, so one,
one.
two, the third leaves, lift it up.
Oh,
Yeah?
I see. Yeah.
Okay, and then put it over. Wait, where are you? Where are you? No, here, 1 second.
Ah, yeah.
There,
That's the
yeah.
second one.
Good, the third one, lift it up. There, up, and put it over. All right, then
Like this.
the fourth leaf, it should be on the top. And the last one, pick it up like that. It's over,
Yeah.
under, over. See? Perfect. Perfect. Now pick up
Over.
another one. Pick up another one, the second one.
Over.
It will be the opposite. It will be over. See? Oh, no, no, no. This one, work this way. See? Yeah?
Right.
Yes. And then straight away, pick up the last one. Yes? Great. Now, keep your arms straight like this. And then pick up this one. Put it on the top. Yeah? It will be opposite. Now, the second one.
Under.
Yeah. No, you just pick this one up. This one up.
Ah, okay.
Yeah? And then pull it towards you. You see? Perfect. Where are you?
Yeah.
Yeah? You see, you pick up two. See? So you miss. It's this one here. Don't miss. Yeah, no, here. Here. That's it. And push down. Yeah. And then grab that one over. You see? Huh. Wait.
This should be over.
Yeah. Then under. Yeah. Oh, good. Then pick up another one. Then pick up the other one. Yes, good. But make sure, see, don't miss. You missed it, eh?
Which one did I miss?
This one.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Don't miss. And then, all right. So pick up another one. And continue. Will it be, no, will it be under?
Under.
No, don't miss. You missed the first one. Yeah, don't ever miss.
Under.
See?
Over.
Good. Excellent.
Under.
Go right at the end. Make sure you go right at the end.
Under.
Yep. There. Go right at the end. Yeah. Oh, uno momento. Here.
Yeah.
You miss. You miss.
Over.
Yeah, don't miss.
Over.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. Don't miss.
And then pick this one up.
And opposite. Yeah. It's always opposite.
Over.
Under, over, under. See?
Over. Under.
It's good. Okay. Yeah. Make sure push down. Eh? Push down. Tighter, better.
Under.
Then when you get better, what you do is, you see this one is down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Continue. You're doing fine. There you go, sir. Look at how pretty was it. See? That's good. Just by doing the over and under until you get to the other end. Okay, once you complete it, then make sure tighten. Move the one facing on one side. Move it closer, eh? Closer. Closer so it's gonna be, yes. See that one? Yeah. Push it, see? Now you look at how perfection is in it. See? That's it. Excellent. Move it. See how move this one. Move too far off. Okay? Yeah. And second, un momento. So you have that one. Yep. Good. Last one. Yep, do this one. You think it's good?
No.
Yeah, start it from here. Start it from here. Pull it out. Yep. Yeah, it will be.
Oh, and
Yep, that's it. Yeah, you got it?
yeah, I moved it more or less closer.
Yes? Good.
And now,
Now, or you grab one side. Once it gets the other side. No. Yeah. Leave one side. Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. Get it off. Yep. Put it one side. So when you do it, adjust it. What? You adjust it like this. See? You adjust it. Then it's gonna be tighter. Ah. Yeah. You see it.